HotMamaTravel!
Alright guys, today is the day. We are off to VidCon. Woo! Woo! We are excited. Hey guys, so we're here. We parked and we got our badges. It was actually a pretty seamless process, which I'm excited about because I wasn't sure how chaotic it was going to be, but I guess this is the 10th anniversary, so they do have their stuff down. Now we're just at the ATM getting some cash in case there's some fun stuff to buy.
I saw 2 TikTokers already.
And the next thing we have is Coyote Peterson Q&A. So that's what we're headed to. Let's go. You guys have 30 seconds to load up. So we just finished our Q&A with Coyote Peterson. We've explored the expo hall and done the Nerf course. And we've also done the Monopoly play pit. But really exciting is on our way to our meet and greet. Sheely ran into a whole bunch of TikTokers that she's big fans of. So.
One's from Bizarre Bar, TikTok, like Disney Channel show. It's awesome. Here, this is his name.
So we're super excited. We're about to meet our fire.
What? Oh, it's a whole family. What? Oh, it's awesome. Tell me what you guys got.
We got these and look at this. Ah! Hey guys, we just got my Springer. Awesome. And I got my hair.
celebration of the biggest trends and artists on YouTube today.
Yes, it's going to be like a physical manifestation of the YouTube trending page, only you will have absolutely no choice as to what to click on. Sorry.
We'll be seeing performances from talented people including Kyle Hanagami, Leroy Sanchez,
I can love you in the dark. It feels like oceans apart.
Kurt Hugo Snyder, Next Town Down,
Found my girl, my girl.
And also, contortionist Sophie Dossie will be performing.
and Grammy Award-winning artist Meghan Trainor.
Kevin, did you have fun?
What?
Did you have fun?
What?
They lost their hearing in the
I
concert.
know, like it's so loud. That was awesome.
Day one of VidCon is done and was a success. And then we ended it with Meghan Trainor, which was amazing.
Hold up, hold up. Look. You have to wait. Bear with me. Okay, we have to leave this. Guys, look at this. I got signatures from Jackie Butler, Cloud Talk. I got Our Fire. I got Sebastian Bales. I got Mason Fleur. I got everyone.
They talked me into it. Wasn't gonna do it.
They were still a team. Yeah. Dad, we were still a team.
They were a team. What happened? What'd you say?
I just wanted to destroy everybody.
And what happened? How do you feel afterwards?
I feel exhilarated and my nipples hurt. I got hit in the nipples twice.
One guy came on screaming, down, 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 and shoot at me.
I did it, and I think I did pretty well here at the Nerf battle course. Did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
This is the original Good Burger car from the movie.
So let's begin. They were a fan at VidCon who played a harmless game.
Don't be scared. It's just a game.
Light as a feather, stiff as a board. Light as a feather, stiff as a board. Feather, stiff as a board. Stiff as a board.
I met like tons of people today, which was awesome. And now we're topping it off with meeting Lauren Godwin. And I'm very excited to meet her because like I even got my blueberry hair to match.
Oh my gosh, our hair. Oh my gosh, and your hair is matching too. How are you guys? couple other cool people. That was all.
Sophie, Dossie, and Jazza.
Yeah, we ran into some more fun people, and now we're on our way into the VidCon Carnival. The kids are sad. There's no food at this. We're trying to find some. Today. We slept in a little bit and came later. But first, what are we doing?
Ball pit.
The darn ball pit again. They love it.
Smells like a little wet.
It looks so pretty.
Hey guys, so we're in line to meet Azzy, which I'm super excited about. We are also meeting with the group with Azzy, Quabblecop, I Am Sana, and Jelly.
You're gonna meet Azzy.
Okay guys, VidCon is done. We did it, and I think it was a success. Yes?
the ball pit.
Yeah!
I wish I could come here just to do the ball pit.
Bye, VidCon. We love you.
Bye guys.
So much.
We are definitely coming back next year.
I'm
It
gonna
was
ask you what them did.
a really fun experience for everybody.
They're
It
female.
exceeded our expectations.
Female.
The kids got to meet tons of their YouTube and TikTok celebrities, and I think it was really fun. And it's also really informative if you are a YouTuber as well. So, we're coming next year. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.